Hi, I'm Alicia with 2A Direct. Today we're going to be talking about the Hytera EHW08 Bluetooth earpiece. In this video, we're going to be opening up the box, looking at the components, the product layout, as well as the functionalities that come along with this great Bluetooth earpiece. So let's dive right in. So as we open the box, here are the components that come inside. We have the charging cord, as well as an extra bag of ear tips. But we're actually going to take a look at the functionalities and the product layout of this Bluetooth earpiece. This guy is small and compact and lightweight, which means it'll be super easy to go wherever you need to go, and it'll actually be comfortable to wear. So as you can see, there is a push to talk function that makes it super simple to click this button and communicate to whoever you need to. We have the adjustable microphone rod right here that you can lift up and down to your desired height to reach your mouth. It comes with a powered dual boom microphone, which means that it'll help close in on your voice and cancel out any outstanding noises, basically create noise cancellation so that whoever's receiving your transmission will be able to hear you loudly and clearly. We also have an adjustable rod for the left and right ear mold. So currently it is on the right ear function, but if I simply turn this counterclockwise and adjust the rod, it easily becomes a left earpiece in a matter of seconds. So that's really great in case you ever need to change it over, if you ever feel uncomfortable, or you just prefer to have it on one ear over another. It'll be easy for you to adjust. On the sides here, we have the volume indicator, which will allow you to increase or decrease the volume as necessary. We also have the power button here that you simply swipe up. We also have the charging indicator down here that your cord will plug into whenever it's time to charge. And this little light right here is the LED indicator. This guy has a matter of 6 functionalities that tells you different types of descriptions, ranging from turning on to charging, fully charged, and etc. If you're interested in buying this Bluetooth earpiece, feel free to check out our website at 2adirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.